The Bluavido 11.26-inch 4G dash cam rear view mirror is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience. This multi-functional dash cam serves as a rear view mirror while incorporating advanced features such as CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, dual cameras, and a live parking monitor. Its compatibility with all vehicles makes it a versatile choice for drivers seeking convenience and safety. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, the dashcam runs on Android 10, providing a user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of applications. Wireless screen projection through CarPlay and Android Auto enables effortless smartphone integration for calls, messages, music, and navigation. Equipped with dual cameras, the device ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. The front camera records an FHD 1920*108p, while the rear HD camera also supports 1080p resolution with a wide-angle 140 lens. Whether driving or parked, the dashcam offers reliable monitoring with its 24-hour parking mode and cycle recording capabilities. The built-in GPS navigation supports popular apps like Google Maps, Waze, Sigic, and Navital, ensuring accurate route planning and real-time traffic updates. The device supports SIM networks, including FDD-LTE bands B1, B3, and B8, as well as WCDMA bands B1 and B8, providing connectivity on the go. Additionally, dual-band Wi-Fi 2, 4G and 5G and Bluetooth 5.1 allow for hands-free phone calls, music streaming, and quick file transfers. Constructed for durability, the Bluavido dashcam operates smoothly in temperatures ranging from -20°C to 70°C. It supports microSD cards from 8 GB to 128 GB class 10 or higher, ensuring ample storage for your recordings. The built-in high-sensitivity microphone captures clear audio to complement the video footage. The package includes the dashcam host, a rear camera, a GPS antenna, an OBD power cable, and a user manual. With its versatile language support, the interface can be customized in over 25 languages, including English, Spanish, French, Russian, Arabic, and Japanese. Whether you're looking for improved safety, advanced navigation, or seamless smartphone connectivity, the Bluavido 4G dashcam is a smart choice for modern drivers.